the diameter of a circular metallic disc produced by a machine is a random variable with the mean 6 centimeter and variance 2 centimeter. Find the mean area of the disc. Here we have to find out mean area of the disc. Expectation of A. Here, area is equal to pi r square. Area is equal to pi r square. Let x be the diameter of the disc. Let x be the diameter of the disc. Then area is equal to pi into x by 2 the whole square. We have to find out expectation of pi into x by 2 the whole square. Given expectation of x is equal to 6 centimeter. Then variance is equal to variance of x is equal to 2 centimeter. Then variance is equal to expectation x square minus expectation x the whole square. Here, variance is equal to 2 centimeter. Expectation x square minus expectation x is 6 centimeter, therefore 36. That implies expectation x square is equal to 36 plus 2, that is 38. We have to find out expectation of A, that is expectation of pi into x by 2 the whole square, that is pi by 4 expectation of x square, that is pi by 4 into 38, that is 19 by 2 pi. Therefore, mean area of the disc will be 13 by 2 pi.